Make more than $100 with Fiverr without any skill. Discover the magical world of Fiverr, where you can unlock a treasure trove of opportunities to earn a staggering $100 per day without even having any specialized skills. Yes, you heard it right. In this exhilarating video, we will unravel the secrets that will pave your path to success. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter. We will introduce you to not one, not two, but three extraordinary Fiverr gigs that will take you from a realm with no competition to a realm with just a hint of it. And the best part? You can effortlessly create these gigs and start earning, totaling a jaw-dropping $100 per day. Yes, dreams do come true. Some believe that to make money on Fiverr, you need to secure a spot on the elusive first page of your service category. Well, we're here to shatter that myth into 1,000 glorious pieces. Prepare to be liberated from this misconception and set free to embrace your boundless potential. Now, once you've made your way to Fiverr.com, signing up is easy as pie, whether you prefer using your Facebook, Google, or trusty old email ID. No hurdles, no complications. Just a simple and straightforward process. Once you're inside the Fiverr universe, prepare to be dazzled by the myriad of services available to you. Whether you're passionate about graphic design, digital marketing, video and animation, programming, or any other skill under the sun, Fiverr has got you covered. It's a paradise for both buyers and sellers, where creativity thrives and dreams turn into reality. We will present to you Fiverr gigs with incredibly low competition. These hidden gems will catapult you into the realm of quick and abundant earnings. Forget the race to the first page. With these gigs, success is just a few clicks away. Now, prepare for the unveiling of the first and the absolute best Fiverr gig for making money online: mock-ups. As you type mock-up into the search bar, a world of possibilities materializes before your eyes. A mere 9,500 gigs for this extraordinary service. But wait, that's significantly lower than the average number of gigs in other categories. Can you feel the excitement building within you? As you delve deeper, you'll discover a spectacle that defies expectations. Services offered for $5, $10, and even $35 per mock-up. You can transform other people's designs into stunning masterpieces, all without the need for editing, photography, or graphic design skills. But how does one venture into this extraordinary realm, you ask? We shall guide you through this magical process. Our journey begins at the illustrious Placeit.net, a treasure trove of possibilities. Behold the vast collection of examples and templates where you can seamlessly add your own logos and designs with a single click. It's like wielding the power of a digital sorcerer, effortlessly customizing each mock-up to perfection. Let's focus our attention on t-shirt mock-ups, a realm where fashion meets imagination. Hover your mouse over mock-ups at the top, and a wondrous world of choices unfolds before you. Hats, hoodies, sweatshirts, and of course, t-shirts beckon you to explore their limitless potential. Click on t-shirts and prepare to be mesmerized by the hundreds of options that await. Imagine a blank canvas in the form of a t-shirt. You have the power to imprint your customer's design onto it, creating a personalized work of art. Let's take a closer look at that captivating t-shirt mock-up you desire. With a simple click, it appears before you, ready to be transformed. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find the space to insert your customer's image, precisely following the size specifications provided. Feel the excitement building within you as you upload the design and witness the magic unfold. Adjust, refine, and perfect the placement until it matches your vision. The preview image showcases the transformation, giving you a glimpse of the stunning result that awaits. Once your masterpiece is complete, all that's left to do is click the download button nestled in the top right corner. Like a triumphal fanfare, the image is saved onto your computer, ready to be shared with the world. The best part? You don't need any design skills to achieve this level of greatness. It's a gateway to creative fulfillment that requires nothing more than a passion for bringing ideas to life. You've embarked on the path to financial prosperity. the second magnificent Fiverr gig that will propel you into the realm of financial abundance. The power of background removed, a service that holds the key to success. You need to type those words into the search bar and watch as a world of possibilities unfolds before your eyes. People from far and wide offer this enchanting service for a mere $5, an average price that beckons customers with irresistible charm. And oh, the reviews they receive! Thousands upon thousands, a testament to their unrivaled expertise. With a quick calculation, we discover that even if they sold only the basic package, they've already amassed over $5,000. Yes, my friend, $5,000 for a single service. It's a testament to the boundless potential that lies within this realm. You don't need to be a master of Photoshop or possess graphic design skills to partake in this lucrative venture. We will reveal a secret of epic proportions. A website called remove.bg holds the key to effortlessly removing background online. And the best part? It's completely free. As you arrive at remove.bg's homepage, a world of simplicity and efficiency greets you. Sign up and witness the magic unfold. With a mere click, you can upload the image your customer has provided, the image from which they desire the background to be removed. A few seconds of anticipation, and like a magician's spell, remove.bg performs its enchanting work, leaving you astounded. It's a single click of a button, my friend, a swift and seamless process that requires no technical expertise. Once the background is flawlessly removed, all that remains is to click the download button and secure the transformed image onto your device. Return triumphantly to Fiverr, where your eager customer awaits. Deliver the image with ease, knowing that you have unlocked the key to their satisfaction. It's a process so seamless, so swift, that success becomes second nature. The last piece of the puzzle that will propel you to unimaginable heights of success is the world of website testing, the third and final Fiverr gig that holds the key to financial abundance. As you type the sacred words, website testing, into the search bar. Unlike the previous gigs, this one is unique. Competition is scarce, with less than 3,000 services to contend with. The path to prosperity has never been clearer. No previous experience or skills are required for this endeavor. And not even a fancy website of your own is necessary. The concept is simple yet powerful. Website owners and creators seek your honest feedback and review of their digital creations. They turn to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour to purchase the invaluable service of website testing. Once they provide you with their sacred link, your journey begins. Assess their colors, their designs, their buttons, and every minute detail that composes their virtual kingdom. Be honest, for your honesty is what they seek. Share your thoughts, your insights, and your observations without reservation. If something doesn't work, speak your truth. If it dazzles your senses, let them know. Your words hold immense power. And you will receive in return for your noble evaluations a reward that can range from $20 to $30 or even up to $100 per website you test. Simply by opening a website and sharing your genuine thoughts, you have the opportunity to earn a generous sum. It is a testament to the value of your opinions, your unique perspective that guides the creators toward perfection. This wondrous realm of website testing is also known as user testing, for you embody the essence of the user, the one who experiences the website firsthand. With each evaluation, you refine your skills, your discerning eye, and your ability to provide invaluable feedback. You become an artist, painting your impressions upon the canvas of the digital world. But wait, my friend, there's more! The riches of these three remarkable gigs are not limited to Fiverr alone. Expand your horizons, for the opportunity awaits on other freelancing platforms as well. Seek out People Per Hour, Upwork, Freelancer, and many others. By offering your services across multiple platforms, you unlock the door to a steady stream of orders, accelerating your path to financial prosperity. And so, open the digital gateways, share your thoughts, and reap the rewards. May success be your constant companion as you traverse the realms of Fiverr. leaving your mark upon the digital landscape. Your journey to financial triumph has only just begun. Thank you for accompanying me on this enlightening adventure.